Hello everybody, and welcome to your final math session before the summer holidays. So I hope you've all been well and it's final day of isolation. So let's get going with a nice quick warm-up activity which will be carrying on all of our work we've been doing on odd and even numbers. So this is our coconut odd or even game. If you type that into Google, you can have a go yourself. We're going to actually choose odd or even numbers. So we're going to do both. We're going to keep it to 20 today, but if you find that easy and you want to have a go at home, you can do a bigger one, sorry. So let's have a look here. So it says at the very top, find all the odd numbers. So remember, with a 2-digit number, we need to look at the last digit, the ones, and see if we think that's odd or even. So 9, think of the numericon 9. Do you think that is an odd or an even? So is it flat at the top or does it have a bit sticking out? You're right, it's odd. There we go. Like 20. So we did 20 yesterday with the cards and they were both flat. So that means it's even. We're leaving that one. 7, odd or even? Odd. Well done. Now 14 and 4 both have the last digit the same. Now 4, that's flat, so that means they're both even. So we can click the done. Well done. Right, now it's saying find all the even numbers. So we want all the numbers that are flat. So 17, so we look at the last digit, 7. Well, we've just had that one. We knew it was odd, so we'll leave that one. It's odd. 19. We just had 9. And it had a sticky out bit, so we know that's odd. We leave that one. 18. 8. Think of your numericon. You're right, it's even. 5. Well, we know that one. That's odd. And 16. 6. That's it. You're right. Well done. So 6 is even. There we go. Right, we'll click done because I think we're done. One more and then we'll move on. So find all the even numbers again. Even. So we've got 9, 9 and 19. So they're both going to either be odd or even. Is 9 odd or even? Well done. 9 is odd, so we're leaving both of those 2. Well, we know that's got a partner. So 2 is even. There we go. 3. Well, we know that's odd. And 5, we've already said, is odd. Well done. So it's only one even number there. That's right. Fantastic. Right. Now we're going to move on to our main session today. So today we are learning all about 3D shapes. We're not learning about them, we're revising them, we're going back over, we're consolidating our learning we've already done on them. So we're going to quickly have a look at some 3D shapes to see if you can name them, talk about the words we need to use, the vocabulary we need to use to describe our 3D shapes, and then I'm going to set you a little challenge for the end. So let's have a look at our 3D shapes. So what shape do you think this is? Now remember, a 3D shape is an object. 2D is flat, so we're not using words like triangle, square, rectangle, circle. We're not using any of those. We're using our 3D shapes. Let's have a look. Well done. See if you're right. I think it's a cone. Fantastic if you've got that right. Let's look at the next one. Oh, well, we know what these are called. These are called ice cubes. So I wonder what 3D shape these might be called. Cube. Oh, let's have a reveal. Well done. Cube. I can see some 2D shapes in here. I can see a square and I can see a rectangle. But I know they're 2D, so I wonder what the 3D shape is called. I wonder if you know at home. Tell your adult. Let's reveal. Well done. If you got it right, it's a cuboid. Oh, look at all these boxes. I wonder if you know what these are. Let's have a reveal. Rectangular prisms. Wouldn't have got that one, would you? I wonder. Let's have a look. Fantastic. If you've got these, cylinder. Ooh. Now, it's like the rectangular prism, but I can see a triangle. I wonder. Let's see what it's called. Fantastic. It's a triangular prism. Oh, we should know what these are called. In Egypt, they are called the pyramids. Mrs. Midlane's been there too. Now, it's not a ball, is it? There's a proper word, a mathematical word we use for ball. I wonder if any of you can remember what it's called. Fantastic. Oh, well done. Where's the... There it is. Sphere. Fantastic. So, let's make me... There we go. We are going to talk about the language, like I said, that we're going to use for describing our 3D shapes. So I found an object here. Here it is. And this is my cube. Now we call these faces. So my cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. And these bits along here, we call the edge. Like we can walk along and walk, oh, we fall off the edge. So these are edges. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. Amazing. Now these, I wonder if anyone can remember what these are called. So we could, in a 2D shape, we call them corners, but the proper scientific mathematical name that we use for these is actually called vertices. I wonder if you can say that too. Vertices. So it's where the edges meet. Can you see where the edges meet? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Let's look at another shape. Here are my cuboids. So this is my cuboid. Just going to do that there a minute and then just... There we go, that's better. So here's my cuboid. Now face-wise, faces, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the same as a cube, but this is a cuboid because the faces aren't square. All the faces on a cube are square. These are rectangular. So how many edges do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. And what was that word? It wasn't corners, it was vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. Well done. And this, I wonder if you can name the shape. Well done, it's a sphere. Sphere. Now, how many faces does a sphere have? 1. 1 face. How many edges does it have? None. Well done. And if it doesn't have any edges, it can't have any vertices because the edges don't meet anywhere. Okay, so it's just 1 face, 1 curved face. Now, Ruby also found this. It's an ice cream cone. There's an ice cream cone. So on this we have 2 faces. 1, 2. 1 flat face and 1 curved face. We have 1 edge and no vertices because we don't have 2 edges that meet to make a vertice. So that is our cone. The last one I'm going to do is a cylinder. Cylinder. So a cylinder has 1, 2, 3 faces. 2 are flat, 1 is curved. So we have 3 faces and 1, 2 edges. So we have the 1, 2 edges. And do we have any vertices? Do we have any point that 2 edges meet? We don't, because we have 2 curved edges. So no vertices on this one either. What I would like you to do is go around the house and go on a shape hunt. See if you can find a cylinder, a sphere, a cube, a cuboid, and a cone. If you can, pop them all in a bag and have a feel and see if you can describe your shape using your keywords, which are faces, okay, edges, and vertices. I would love to see some videos on Tapestry of you using that language if you can. It would be brilliant. Anyway, well done. You've managed to make it through isolation. Fantastic. I hope you have an absolutely lovely summer break, and I will catch up with you. I will put some videos on so you can see your classroom, and I will catch up with you all really, really soon. Bye.